Hi YouTube, I'm Ling Tao. So this is my first English video, and I'm going to talk about my new Vim plugin, which the name is cd-project.nvim. So actually, it's quite simple, and I think it could provide some insight if you want to have a deeper understanding of how this plugin works and how I organize my plugin file. So we're gonna jump into the topic. The This is the plugin file tree, and the first thing we need to pay attention to is the cd-project.lua. This file is the entry point when the NeoBeam try to load the plugin to itself. So what it does is just firstly check the new Vim version, and then it will use a global variable to mark it as loaded, and then it will call the setup function to set up the default configuration, and then it will register the commands we have here. So right now we have three commands, right? So uh, here we also added this into the README file. So you can see the commands here and also APIs. Okay, after we go through this file, we can have a closer look at this Lua directory. Inside it is its own namespace, CD project, and also has its init Lua to export the file to the outside world. But basically, I think you need to understand that there's like three levels of my plugin. So from the top to the bottom, I mean the user layer to the API layer, and then to the infra layer, which is just a configuration. So let's first to take a look at the API layer. It's actually just try to manipulate the plugins, the projects, and return those functionality to the outside world. So you can actually use those function in any place you like to integrate into your own workflow. And also all of those are run around this definition, this cd project, which have path fields, name fields, description fields. But I think what I did right now, I mean, I just use path field right now. So for the name and description, I haven't used it yet. But I think it will be easier to extend if I want in the future. Um, okay, so after the API stuff, and we'll go deeper into the lower into the configuration. So what it does, it has this default configuration defined in this file, and also has a set up function export to the outside world, and also have like a local function write JSON, read JSON file. Actually, here it's just local. So actually, what exposed to the outside is this get project method and write project method. Actually, it just return uh, a list of project entity, and also write project just taking a list of projects. So actually, I would like to consider those functions as a repository where we get the project from the database. So the JSON file is acting like a database which will serialize and deserialize this project entity. Um, okay, the configuration is just two configuration right now. Currently, we have this path where to put our JSON file database, and also we have this project directory pattern, which will be used in the add project. So let's take a look. Uh, I think it should be used in the API. Yes. Here. So we have this find project dir function. It will find the this project of dir by those patterns. Okay, so the last one is the adapter. So what adapter does, I think my idea, the responsibility I give it to it is just like take in the user's input and interact with the plugin. So right now there's only Vim UI to try to get the like a user selected path and call the API with the path. And I mean maybe later I will add a telescope adapter or something else. Yeah, it's just like call the API with the user inputted values. Okay, so I think that's all for this plugin and this video. Hope you like it. And yes, I mean my English definitely needs some improvement. And also hope you can give me some feedback. Okay, that's all, fellows. Bye bye.